A little carpentry, some painting, a dab of cleaning, tossing junk, and some major yard work. Employee volunteers spend a day helping a Tacoma neighbor that most haven't met before this day.
Well, it's wonderful to get a chance to get out in the community and help people who really will appreciate the work that we're doing.
He and 65 coworkers converge on this central Tacoma neighborhood to do a major makeover on the home a woman named Eleanor has lived in for 30 years.
This is so overwhelming. It's exciting. It's really joyful. I'm so grateful.
In her career as a social worker, Eleanor helped other people in need. But a year after her husband died, a brain aneurysm left her unable to do the proper upkeep on her home. She applied for help from the Rebuilding Together South Sound program, and TPU's Community Connection volunteers got the task.
They came in with their energy. They are so enthusiastic. They are just so talented, and I really appreciate them very much.
I think we're so fortunate to have the skill set here to really make some amazing differences that a homeowner like this could never afford to do.
Weeks before Rebuilding Day arrives, TPU project coordinators visit the home to size up Eleanor's needs. The to-do list grows quickly, both inside and out. The porch is hazardous, some electrical and plumbing needs attention, and the yard is overgrown.
Blackberries 10 feet tall in this area, and so it was kind of a disaster.
After several hours of work, a usable yard emerges. Volunteers create a new vegetable garden and replace a rotting porch. Inside, they've patched walls, cleaned and painted.
Words cannot even express my gratitude today.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
The rebuilding effort will make it easier for Eleanor to continue living safely in her home of 3 decades. And that alone delights these volunteers.
Makes me feel like I've helped out not just the person that I'm helping, but myself too.
Rebuilding is the largest of nearly 3 dozen community connection activities that TPU employees take part in every year. It's their way of giving back to the community. For Tacoma Report, I'm John Phillips.